You're watching this video because you want to attract love into your life. And you've heard about this thing called the law of attraction and how it can bring things into your life from places and things that you never even thought possible. And you're wondering, can those things go together? Can I attract someone I love using the law of attraction? Well, I believe you can. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can attract love by using the law of attraction. So let's get right to it. The law of attraction is a beautiful thing. It's helped me to create beautiful relationships in my life. It's helped me to find my now wife, who I've almost been married to now for 4 years. The law of attraction has helped me to become fit the way that I want to be fit, and it's helped me to even earn more money and keep my emotions under control and more positive than not. And the law of attraction can also help you to find love in your life, the same way that it's helped me and many other people that I've worked with. And the law of attraction says this: you will get what you put out there into the world. If you give off positivity and good vibes and happiness, then you will attract positivity and good vibes and happiness. You can think about it kind of like karma, and some people do. If you do something great will happen for you. If you do something that you know is not so great, then something not so great might, as a result, happen for you. And you can do the same thing when it comes to love and relationships. And in this video, we're going to focus specifically on how to find love in a relationship, how to find a partner, how to find somebody who can reciprocate that feeling of love for you so that you can live a better life overall. Clarity is power. And the first way to attract love to yourself with the law of attraction is to become very clear, who is it that you're looking to attract? Who is it that you want to love you? What do they look like? What are their hobbies? What does their voice sound like? What does their hair or the lack of hair look like? Right? What are their activities? What are the things that they do for fun? I remember I sat down with a friend of mine probably over 2 years ago now. We sat down at a diner and they were talking to me about life and we were catching up on what we both were doing and how life is going. And I asked them, do you have a girlfriend? And they said, no, but I want one. And I said, okay, cool. I said, how's that going for you? And they said, well, I've had odd dates here and there. Just nothing seems to stick for me. Nothing really is working out. I haven't found the one. I haven't found the person who I'm meant to be with. And I said, okay. I said, well, that's cool that you're putting yourself out there. I said, who is it that you're looking to attract into your life? And they looked at me like I had 10 heads. They're like, what do you mean? Who is it that I'm supposed to attract? I just want someone who will love me, somebody who I'll love, somebody that I can vibe with. And I said, okay. And I told them, clarity is power. And while we were at the dining table, literally, I'm this guy. You go out to dine with me and I've got you with a notebook in your hand and a pen, right? It's just who I am. And it's how I manage and operate throughout my own life too. So he's got the pen in his hand, he's got his journal, and he's writing down exactly who this person is. He's writing down what she looks like. He's writing down what activity she does. He's writing down what she smells like, what she sounds like. Yes, it sounds kind of creepy, but the more clear you can become, the more you tell your brain exactly what to search for. And that's exactly what happened. Because a week later, I kid you not, 1 week later, I talked to this friend again, and they said, Brandon, you're not gonna believe this, but dude, I found a girl that matches like the exact description of what I wrote down at that diner table. He's like, I don't know how it worked. He's like, how'd you do it? I was like, I didn't do anything, man. I said, you did it. You told your brain exactly what you want. You told your brain exactly who to attract into your life. And they've been going strong ever since. They've been in a relationship now for quite a while. And I know that the same thing will work for you. But the very first step is you have to become clear of who you're looking to attract into your life. If you're not clear, then you're going to attract someone who does this, someone who does that, someone who is this, and you might not like it. So tell yourself in advance who it is you're looking to attract. There's 7 billion people on the earth. There might be more by the time you watch this video. It's growing very rapidly. Your soulmate is out there. The person you want to attract into your life that will bring you that level of happiness and fulfillment and joy, they exist. And they're waiting for you to attract them into your life. But you have to be very clear on who that is, because it's going to be different for you than it is for the person next to you. Now that you've determined who it is that you want to attract into your life, the next step is you have to be attractive yourself. And you're probably saying, whoa, Brandon's throwing looks into this whole equation. I've got to look good. What does that even mean, Brandon? I'm not talking about your looks. I'm talking about your vibration. And now you're probably like, okay, now he's going hippie on me. But that's not what I mean. When I say you have to be attractive, I mean that you have to become the person who you want to attract into your life. You know, there's a saying out there that says opposites attract. I don't quite believe that. And let me explain why. Look at two people who've been together for a long period of time, even more than a year. Watch what they do. Look at their hobbies. Look at their habits. They have more things that are alike than not. They might have some things that are opposite, and that's good because that spices up the relationship. But most of the things that those people enjoy are similar to each other. And if you want to attract love into your life using the law of attraction, you have to become attractive, and you have to do the things that you want the other person to do. I had a friend who was severely overweight. And by the way, I was overweight for a long time, so I'm not jabbing my friend in any way because I've been there. And my friend kept telling me, I want to find this girl. And he'd show me pictures of these girls who were in excellent shape, and they had like six packs, they were fit, they were outside exercising, they were working out. And I would say to that person, okay, well, why do you think you haven't attracted them in the first place? And they knew. They said, well, my health isn't up to par with their health. And I said, that's exactly why. I said, there might be other reasons. You might find someone who does love you for who you are, and that can absolutely happen. But if you want to accelerate this, if you want to truly attract what you're looking for, you have to become who you're looking for. If you want to find a fit girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever you're looking for, whoever you're looking for, then you have to become like that individual. You have to follow their rituals. You have to adopt hobbies and habits that they follow. So if they're a gym rat, you better get your butt into the gym and start working out, because that's where you might find that person. After a month or two, you might have a girl walk up to you or a guy walk up to you and say, hey, I saw what you did there on that machine. That was really impressive. Could you show me how to do that? And you're going to be like, oh my God, they're talking to me, right? Because you got yourself in their environment. You inserted yourself into their sphere of influence. Their vibrational sphere is how you can think about this. To attract love using the law of attraction, you must become attractive. And only once you get on the same vibrational frequency of who it is you're looking to attract, only then will you begin to attract that person or thing into your life. Now hold on just a minute. I just noticed that you weren't subscribed to the channel. So go down here, hit that red subscribe button, and then next to it, hit that bell. When you hit the bell, you're turning on notifications so you see all the new videos that we release on this channel every single week. Now let's get back to it. Now that you know who you want to attract, and now that you've adopted the hobbies of the person you're looking to attract, and you've adopted their rituals and habits, then the third step to attract love using the law of attraction is to think and project exactly who this person is every single day. And let me explain the best way that I'd recommend you do this. As often as possible, think about this person. As often as possible, think about exactly who it is you're looking to bring into your life. Because Earl Nightingale used to say, you become what you think about most of the time. And he also said, you get and you attract what you think about most of the time. And the way I'd recommend you do this is not to just simply try to remember to do this, but I recommend bringing this into your morning routine, where after you go through your morning and do whatever you normally do, carve out 5 to 10 minutes of time to think in your mind. Just close your eyes and think in your own theater of imagination exactly what this person looks like, exactly what they do during the day, exactly what you want to be doing with them together. In your mind, see yourself and see them and see yourselves doing things together. See yourself going to the movies. See yourself taking the trip. See yourself starting the family that you want to start. You have to project what you want, because the more you tell yourself what you want, the more the law of attraction will show you people and places and opportunities that will bring you closer to exactly what you are looking to achieve. And that includes who you're looking to attract. And by the way, if you want to attract love into your life and you want to attract somebody to join you in this journey of life, then take a look at your closet right now. Like, while you're watching this video on your phone, go check your closet while I talk to you. And let me ask you, do you even have any room in your closet for their clothes? Is your closet just full of your crap, right? Clean it out. Clear half of your closet space where half of your clothes are on one side and the other half is reserved for that special person who's going to be joining you in this journey of life. Have your closet ready. Have your place clean as if you're going to meet this person tomorrow. Expect that it's going to happen soon. And if you do that, if you prepare ahead of time, you might be really surprised at what happens. Now that you know who you want to attract, you've modified your rituals and your hobbies to match theirs, and you're projecting them into the universe every single day with your thoughts in your morning routine, then I want you to watch this video next. It's called How to Always Be Happy in a Relationship. And I want you to watch this one next because you're gonna be in a relationship really soon if you follow these 3 tips. And now that you've attracted this love into your life, it's time to strengthen and build that relationship even further.